Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power sunroof, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, compass, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.